So path will give you in this way, and path length will give you how many paths are there. So let me show you in the DAX here. So actually I'll rename this column name to path, and let me create a new column with path length. Okay, new column, and give a name called path length, and the DAX itself is a path length. And what path you are passing, this is the path. Okay, path, this is sheet 1 path. Let me close this and press enter. So you can see data, maybe if he is intern, he has to pass to 5 paths. You can see 5. CEO is not reporting to anyone, maybe 1 in this scenario. Okay, if he is data engineer, he has to part with 4, head engineer maybe 3, assistant manager maybe 4, and so on. This is how the path length works. So we have one more like DAX inside this parent and child hierarchies, that is a path contains function. So path contains function is really helpful if you want to check that which employee, whether that employee falls in which hierarchy. So for that you are passing on the path contains, and you are passing the path in that, and you specify that employee ID. So wherever that employee ID comes in that new column, you will get the boolean value true. If that path is, whatever you have mentioned is available, you will get true, otherwise you will get a false. So in this case you get true because 162 is there inside this path, 162 is there inside this path, you get true. So this will be really helpful if you want to trace that employee and where he is exactly. So for that you need to use a path contains. So let me create a new measure and show you new measure. Oh, sorry, not a new measure. I should go for a new column actually, so that I can get the values here. Okay, that path contains can be done with a new column. New column. Yeah. So it is path contains. So the DAX is path contains. You specify the path. Oh, no intelligence. Just give me a second. Now I got it. So path contains, you specify the path. So the path itself, the name is sheet 1 path, and you need to check, hey, I want to see for 107, where is 107, like engineer is. So you give 107 and close it and press enter. So wherever you have 107 employee ID, there you get true. For all you get false. So you can see ed engineer is working in this manner. You can see in all these 1 2 3 4 5, you have the role of ed engineer. Here there is no role of the head engineer. You can see that. You can change that path contains. You can see if I have 105 and press enter. uh, just give me a second. Yeah, you can see here, wherever you can easily find out. Yeah, I think 105 is only at this position, so he is the assistant manager, and he is reporting these all. Okay, but 105 is only at this point. Okay, so this is how the path contains and path length works in DAX. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep learning.